Yeah, hey everyone, I just wanted to make this quick video to show you how you can use PuTTYgen to create a key pair for the SFTP or SFTP v2 connector. In this video, we're going to select ECDSA as our option, and we're going to go with NISTP 521. This decision is completely up to you. That's just what we're going with. So once that has been selected, we will click Generate, and it then requires you to move your mouse around to create randomness in the key. This takes a moment. All right, now that this is complete, we can go ahead and save both the public and private key. Start by saving the private key. It asks us if we want to protect it with a password. For the sake of this video, I'm not going to, but you certainly can. Okay, and then we will save the public key. All right. What you're then going to want to do is convert the private key that you made. In this case, PuTTYgen will save it as a .ppk file. To use it with the SFTP or SFTP v2 connector, you're going to want to make that a PEM file. So we will go ahead and click Load, select the key, Conversions, and select Export Open SSH key. And then we will save it here as ECDSA key. And this time we will use .pem as our file extension. All right, that's it. Thank you for watching.